Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson with Remax. Just dropped the kids off at school and I am headed, well, I'm already in Frederick, but I'm headed to the other side of Frederick for a pre-listing walkthrough. See you over there. So we are back in Frederick. Going to say hello to this man right here. Check out that house right there. See on the inside. Remember that thing? We rented it last year. They're done being landlords. They're ready to sell. Excited for this one. We got the contractor here, we got the carpet cleaner here. Not a ton of stuff, but the tenant did kind of mess it up a little bit. So stay tuned, this thing's already on coming.